DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Did you know you can eat cactus? That's right, all this is edible. And there's a little trick to get, it's got little tiny needles, and I'm going to show you the trick how to get rid of those. But you just cut it off, use gloves, pick it up, take them to your work area, and I'll show you how to get those little needles off. But you can just cut these up into squares and fry them, and they're really good with eggs. Okay, and there's there's a lot more different types. This one is the most popular that they sell in Mexican stores, what have you. But there's another kind over here that I want to show you that also. And look at the fruit you get. Aren't those cool? Now this one is also edible. A friend of mine told me about that. Look at that. It looks like a rabbit. There's the ears. So you can eat these too. And I've started watering this more because I wasn't really paying attention. I didn't really know that they were edible, but they are. So I'm going to start, getting these to grow. And these get a lot of fruits on them also. Not right now, but they get a lot of fruits on them. Okay, this is how you get there's little tiny fine needles here that are a pain in the ass. Now some people peel them, but this is the easiest way to get rid of those. You need a propane torch, and you just burn them off. It cooks it a little bit too. And that's it. Now you don't have those fine little needles in there. Pins. Ooh, it's getting toasty. I might eat a little bit. Let me make sure I got the end. Let's cut off a chunk and eat it. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? It doesn't taste too bad raw. You get all your vitamins. But most people cut them into squares and cook them. Cut them this way, and then toot toot toot. Okay guys, hey, if you like this video, if you like our videos, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 users, and thumbs up the video and all that. Okay, thank you very much. Onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.